What's up, beautiful people? This is Khurram from iGuessWell and hope you are having an amazing day. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the build quality on the Tesla Model Y Performance Edition, which is the 2023. So if you booked your car in September, October, and they started making your car in October, you are going to be getting the 2023 model. So there are a few things that I'm going to talk about, what's there, what's not there, and also how is the build quality. Is it any better than the last year's? And make sure to hit the like on this video so this video can go to more people. And now, without any further delay, let's get into the build quality. Alright, so as I told you guys that this is the Tesla Model Y Performance, and you can tell by looking at the brake calipers, which is the red color right here with the Tesla branding on it. And the wheel is the 21-inch Uber turbine wheels. And if you come at the back, you have this carbon fiber rear spoiler. And then the dual motor right here will have a red color underline. That will be the sign that you have the Tesla Model Y Performance Edition. And same goes for the Tesla Model 3 as well. So you will be looking at the brake calipers and the suspensions, they are lowered. So that's all can tell you that this is the Tesla Model Y Performance. And now let's get into what were the issues that I was having. Or actually before that, let me show you one thing. That the bumper, you don't see anymore those ultrasonic sensors. So they are gone. So now Tesla is actually relying on the cameras, which is called the Tesla Vision. So you won't have those tiny holes here on the bumper, which I find it really good because I have this PPF installed on it and I don't have any of those ultrasonic sensor holes anymore. So those sensors are gone. And now Tesla is just relying on the Tesla Vision. So that is something I would say new, but actually they have actually removed something. So let's see what's inside here. And one more thing that they have removed. So you see right here, we have the lumbar support here, which is for your back here. And if we go towards the other side, you will find out that there is no lumbar support for the passenger side. So we have this decoy, I'll call it, right here. So this is just, they covered it, so they don't have this lumbar support anymore for the passenger side. It's only available for the driver side. So I will say that I found that major thing if you talk about, they removed the ultrasonic sensors and also they removed this. The theory behind this is that not a lot of people were using this side lumbar support. So I think in the future, when you're just driving your car by yourself, a lot of people are doing that. They'll be like, okay, let's remove the seats and let's remove everything because people are not using it. So I don't find that justification that if people are not using it, you're just going to remove these things from there. Also, if you look at the build quality right here, this finish is not really great. If you're looking at the seat right here, the way it is just not cut professionally. So that's one of the things you will find in all the Teslas. One thing that I've noticed that now they have this carpeted kind of material here. Before it was all plastic. So that is good for sound dampening and makes it more comfort ride. So that's a good addition here. If you're getting the performance, you're gonna get this wood trim like this. If you're getting the black interior, if you're getting the white interior, it will be matched with the white. So that's the trim here. Nothing basically has changed inside from the interior perspective. It is upgraded with the new cameras that is here on the side. Now let's talk about the issues that I found. So right here, the bumper and this fender right here, it is kind of misaligned. I don't know if in camera you can see it. It's actually popping out right there. So when they were doing the PPF coating, that's when they found out that it is misaligned. Otherwise, at the delivery, I couldn't tell because, you know, the way the delivery is, you're looking at the paperwork and you're looking at a lot of things. So let's talk about the gaps. So I did not find any major gaps that were there when it comes to the build quality. Like right here, a lot of people have issues with like there are gaps, they are not aligned. But I did not see any of that. Only issue that I found out is one that I showed you guys over there with the bumper. And other than that, the major issue that I found out, that was the camera failing on me. So this camera right here, the repeater camera, which is your blind spot camera, this failed because of one rain. And I'll show you guys the videos that I took and you can see it on the screen. I'm just making the video now when the issue has been fixed. But this gave up on me in one day. So what was happening that this right here, the camera actually here had water intake. somehow the rainwater went inside, and I would not expect that from just one rain that happened one day, and the camera gave up on me. So I had the autopilot and everything just got disabled, and it was painful. But the Tesla is really good with their service. I took the car there and they fixed that issue within one day. So beside that bumper misalignment with the fender and this camera, I don't have any major issues with it. The car was just scratchless, the way it should be, the brand new. And yeah, the ultrasonic sensors are gone from the bumper, so you don't see any of those holes for that anymore. So now we have to wait for the the update where the Tesla Vision is going to take place and give us that the object alerts that you're going to hit the curb or something if you're parking. So all of those park assist features, the summon features, they're not going to be available on the Tesla Model Y 2023 until they figure out the Tesla Vision thing.
There was another issue that was worth mentioning, but I forgot to add that, and it was about the charging port. The lid was not closing properly, and it would stuck out like this, and there are chances that it will take the rain drops inside. So I had to take it to the Tesla service center the same day as they changed the camera for me, and they replaced the lid with the brand new one. So that problem was resolved right there at the same day.
So this Tesla Model Y Performance Edition 2023 is built in the Fremont, California. And you can tell by looking at the VIN number, it will have F letter for Fremont. And if it is saying A, that is for the Austin, which is in the Giga, Texas. I've heard a lot about the build quality from the Giga, Texas is a lot better because the new facility. I haven't had any major issues with the car, as I showed you guys already. So overall, I will give the build quality 9 out of 10. There are a few issues with the build quality. The camera should not be giving up on you within the day one when you are experiencing rain, and then you have to go to the the service center and getting it fixed. The Tesla is great at the customer service. When you go there, they greet you nicely. They replace the part which was malfunctioning, and also they will give you the Uber credit for that day. So you are looking at $100 in the Uber credits when you're looking at the taking the car to the delivery center. I did a couple of things that I'm going to cover in the next video about what upgrades I have made so far. The interior is pretty much same as it used to be. So there is nothing there that I should spend time on and waste your time, guys. So its interior is there, the same as it used to be. Only couple of things that I showed you, they are different this year. Actually, they are negative because they have taken out few things. One was this lumbar support, and one was that the ultrasonic sensors. So let me know what you guys think about it, and in the comment section what you want to see in the next videos. And I'll be covering more videos for the other models, and I hope you guys subscribe to the channel, and really appreciate it if you're already doing that. And I'll see you in another video. Until then, peace out.